what type of prep work should be done on the ceiling prior to placing the stencil on there and painting the ceiling. So this could be the same for me coming out. So this will answer both. Prep work. If you have a fairly newly painted ceiling within the last year or so and you're happy with it, just go around with a broom and get any cobwebs off. If it depends on if you want to change the color. If you want to do that before I get there. If it's an older painted ceiling, remember this night sky is going to last for years. The one I have up in this room I painted when we first moved into this house 20 years ago, and it still is glowing just as well as it did the first night. So it's going to last a long time. So you want to make sure that you have a freshly painted ceiling or one that's going to last for years. And if the paint job's good, then just go around and get cobwebs off and maybe dust the ceiling fan, just so there's not dust up there when I paint, because sometimes the dust, if you have a lot of dust on there and I paint on it, some of those stars might come off. Not all of them, but some. So very little maintenance, really. Just make sure it's a good quality ceiling.